Choosing the best solar panels in Australia depends on what matters most to you, whether it's performance, price, warranty, or durability. In 2025, several brands stand out for their reliability, efficiency, and value. SunPower Maxeon is often considered the top-tier option, offering industry-leading efficiency of up to 24.1% and an unmatched 40-year warranty. These panels are ideal for those with limited roof space or high energy needs, though they come at a premium price. Rex Solar, particularly the Alpha Pure series, is another excellent choice. With efficiency up to 22.8%, low annual degradation, just 0.25% per year, and a strong 25-year warranty that includes labor, Rec panels are known for long-term reliability and sustainability. They are also LAID-free and hail-tested, making them a suitable choice for Australian weather conditions. Qcells panels provide a solid balance between price and performance, featuring Q.ANTUM technology and efficiencies around 22.5%. They offer a 25-year warranty when installed by certified professionals. Their mid-range price and strong local support make them a popular option for Australian homes. For budget-conscious homeowners, Jinko Solar is a standout brand. The Tiger Neo series offers around 22.5% efficiency and includes a 25-year product warranty and 30-year performance warranty. These panels are cost-effective and widely used across Australia due to their performance and affordability. Eco Solar has gained attention for its advanced ABC, all-back contact cell technology. With panel efficiencies up to 24.2% and sleek aesthetics, Eco panels are competitively priced and come with a 25-30-year performance warranty, depending on the model. In summary, if you're after the absolute best performance and warranty, go with SunPower or Rec.